In this course, we're going to be using jshell. Now, this is an interactive interface that we can use to write some Java code. No need for the whole complex setup. To go into jshell, just simply write jshell in your command prompt or terminal. Now, jshell is very interactive, so when I put in a Java code, it quickly gives me the answer. If I say int x is equal to 4, don't bother too much about what this means. This is simple Java code. After putting int x is equal to 4, it quickly gives me the result. The result just says, hey, we just created x, and it has been given a value of 4. If I say x plus 2, it says, hey, add 2 to x, which is 6, and assign it to a new variable called $2. Now, another option is to open editpad. To open editpad, we do /edit. In editpad, you can write multiple lines, then execute them all at once. In our previous way of doing things inside jshell, with each line, it is executed. But right here in editpad, I can write x is equal to 4, then come down and write int y is equal to x plus 2. And then it executes everything at once. You execute your code in jshell editpad by clicking the accept button. After pressing accept, you will notice that there are two printouts of y. The first one says y is equal to 6, and the second says y is equal to 6. The first one is printed out because we created the variable y, while the second one is because we told Java to print out y. It didn't bother printing out x because we already had x as a variable before. So, editpad only prints out new inputs. For example, if I say y plus 10, it will print out the value because that is a new command. Or I could say a is equal to 10. That's a totally new variable and a new command. But after doing that, if I print or if I try to click on accept again, it wouldn't print out a twice in the jshell. So just in case you press accept twice and you don't see the output come 2 times, jshell will only print out new commands you have put in to the editpad. And remember, to use the editpad, all you need to do is to first go into jshell and then /edit. Click on enter, and then we have our editpad.